You're welcome to my channel. This is VsmDesigns. Today we are going to learn how to make this beautiful smoked pocket design. If you are new to this channel, kindly hit the subscribe button. If you're a returning fan, thank you for checking back. Please watch to the end of this video to get the best out of it. Now let's go straight to the video. The first thing you are going to do is to make this grid, and for me to achieve the grid I have to mark off the fabric 1 inch by 1 inch. That is the size of the ruler, so I just use the width of the ruler to measure it off. We are going to mark a V shape on this first row, joining two boxes together. Skip this row, mark on this one, skip this, mark on this, skip this, mark on this, skip this, mark on this, just like that. Now we started to mark from the first row. Now we are going to start from this second row to mark, not the first one. You are going to skip this row, mark on this. You skip this and mark on this. So that's how we are going to mark it all. That means that the third column we are going to start from the first row to mark. Now we are going to use our hand needle to join these coordinates or the angles together, the three angles or the three coordinates together. The same with here, join here and here together, the same here, and that's how we do on all. Now let's start. Then from the first angle you move to the second one, drag it together for them to meet. Then you get the third one, also pull them together, and so 1 or 2 more times so that it will be strong. This is how it looks like, the very first one. This is how it looks like. Now let's do the second one. You can start from any of the angles, of course. Now I'm starting from the left hand side because it's more convenient for me as a left-hander. Please kindly do me a favor by clicking on the subscribe button if you've not done so, and also turn on the notification bell so that when next I upload a video you will be the first to be notified. Once you get the thread, you pull your thread so that the three angles will come together and form the shape that we are looking for. You also make sure that you tie the end of your thread very well so that it doesn't loose. See how it looks like after doing the second one. Now let's do the third one, then I will fast forward the rest. Please, while doing this, you have to be very careful so that you don't wound yourself with the needle. Now we are done with the first column. This is the second column. I've done 4 columns already, and I think that this will be enough for the pocket that we are going to do. Then I've already cut my gum into the shape that I want my pocket to be. What I'm going to do now is to fold it off into equal parts and mark about 3/4 inch, that is 0.75 inch. Then because this down part is curvy, I have to use my biro to make a freehand sketch while maintaining the distance of 0.75 inch. Then I cut it out. We are still going to make use of this inner one. The next we are going to do is to gum the outer side of it. Now this is why I said we are making use of the inner one. We are going to place it inside there to make sure that our pocket doesn't lose shape. After which you pull it off. What we have here now is exactly the same shape of our original pocket when we've not removed the inner part of it. At this point, you can trim off the inner part of the fabric. You notch. Please, while notching, make sure that the notching doesn't touch the gum, because if it touches, your folding would not be neat. We now fold it off. Remember the importance of your hemming gum. We place hemming gum under and gum. It's important to know that you will need to slice your hemming gum so that you don't have excess hemming gum that will stain your iron and consequently mess up the whole thing. After doing this and you have the inner part of the pocket in shape, the next thing you are going to do is to hit the surface of the folding. Hit it up and place your sliced hemming gum on it. Do it all through. Now you bring your smoked design and place the pocket on it. We are still going to make use of the gum we cut off so as to continue to maintain the shape of the pocket. This is very important, very important. Otherwise you will lose the shape, the original shape of the pocket. You press it with your iron. Remember there's hemming gum under, so it gums. If you are new to this channel or you are a returning fan but you've not subscribed to my channel, kindly do so and turn on the notification bell so that when next I upload a video you will be notified. Now you can sew it all through. Trim the excess fabrics off. You mark this and cut it off from the ending of the gum. Then what I'm going to do is to measure the size of the width of the pocket and cut a piece of gum. Now I want to add a design on it, so I fold it off into 4 equal parts and cut off an angle. Boom, we've just formed a design. So I'm going to gum this piece of gum on the main fabric and fold off according to the design on it. Now I'm going to form a ghetto along the gum, both on the main pocket and on the design I've just made. The essence of this ghetto is to ensure that when I'm placing it on the pocket, the two gums will align. So I place it here and run thread on it. You notch the curvy part so that when you are folding, it will be easy for you to fold, and make sure that you don't notch up to the gum. This is the last part of the preparation of the pockets. You fold round. If you want to achieve a perfect folding round the pocket, you must make use of hemming gum. Very important. Finally, here comes our beautiful pocket. Thank you for watching this video. Always check back for more amazing educational videos that will be helpful to you as a tailor or a fashion designer. Keep learning day by day, because learning never ends. See you on our next video, and please don't forget to subscribe. Thank you.